How you guys doing, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the central dash vent on Alfa Romeo 147 and GT. To do this job you're going to need a 3mm Allen key, and since I'm also going to have to remove the radio, I'm going to use a pair of these wires which I made myself. I'm going to start by removing the radio. Now that I got that out of the way, we can check out the 3 screws that need to be removed. Here's the first one right here. Now there are 2 more on the bottom. There's the one right there, and here is the second one on the other side. I'm gonna remove this top one first. Moving on to these 2 on the bottom, one thing to keep in mind is that you gotta be extremely careful not to drop them below, because they are going to be extremely hard to find. Alright, I got one more left. Here it is, the vent is loose, at least the front side, but there are 2 more clips. One is located right here, and there's one more on the other side. So all you gotta do is pry it off. It is gonna take a little bit of force. And here it is. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.